Hey guys, out in the car at the minute. The wife's out there shopping somewhere. We're in the Asian district of San Diego. So I'm gonna mess with her steering lock. Here we go. Operates just fine. And 8 dimple lock. I'm gonna try. I'm just using my little pocket tool thing here. So I'm going to try and unlock this steering lock. Just using, I figured, a city rake. I'll just rake around in there, see what happens. Oh, we're in. Can you believe that? We're in straight away. There you go, I'll lock it back up again. There you go, it's locked. The Club LX. This thing is one of the top selling steering locks for cars in the US. Look it up on Amazon, it has 4.5 stars or something. What did that take? A couple of seconds. That was a quick video.